Welcome to Imran Family Kitchen. Today we come to you from the northwest of Turkey, a city by the name of Eskisehir. And today we take you on a food tour of Eskisehir and we bring to you some traditional Ottoman coffee and Balaban Kebab, which is unique to Eskisehir. If you want to see the full vlog of my trip to Eskisehir, you can do so by clicking on the link above this video. The first thing we did is we went to Odunpazarı and we sat down to have some traditional Ottoman Kahve.
So look at this fresh coffee being made, Ottoman style, which is good. So freshly ground coffee going inside with some sugar pieces. Wow. So the hot sand is going to heat it up, so that's quite interesting. Let's see. Let's take a shot as well. Traditional Ottoman style.
Hoş geldin.
So the sand over here is very hot. So it really heats the coffee up to perfection. Look at that. This is the real coffee. No more Starbucks. All right, so the coffee is being prepared. The kahve is being prepared. So what's interesting over here is we have a glass of water over here because this coffee is very bitter. And they have some lokum, which is more commonly known as Turkish Delights. So because it's very bitter, the sweets are very intense to neutralize that taste that one gets. So can't wait to actually have it. So look at that, proper coffee.
Afiyet olsun.
Okay, it's the sugar. Okay, so let me give this a taste. Look at that. So freshly grounded coffee. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. That is, you know what, it's not actually bitter. It's actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. I was thinking that's going to be very bitter, but I actually like the taste of it. It's, I've been craving strong coffee since I've come to Turkey, because what I was doing is that if you want coffee that has milk in it, you have to say, I want some Nescafe. So you can't just say, I want latte or I want coffee. So when you say coffee, you get this one. So I was kind of reluctant to get it, but that first sip is delicious. Bismillah. There's actually a nice sweetness to it. We did actually request them to put in 3 cubes of sugar for 3 of us. So there's a little bit of sweetness, but it's not bitter at all. It's so delicious. And here's a piece of lokum as well to go with it. Bismillah. Wow. That is easily the best Turkish delight I've had in my entire life. Like, I don't know, like I've had it before, since I was a kid actually, before I even came to Turkey, because there's many that are sold in London, but those are all imposters. This is so delicious, so sweet. It was green color. I don't even know what the flavor is, but it was just incredible. And to go with this, what a combination. I can see why. You have lokum, which is Turkish delight, with this coffee, with this kahve. So if you ever come to this place, which is Odunpazarı here in Eskisehir, try coming into one of these roads and having this kahve, this traditional Osmanli, Ottoman form of coffee. Afiyet olsun.
And now it's time to head towards a well-deserved meal by going to a restaurant which serves traditional Balaban Kebab, which is only unique to Eskişehir. Nowhere else in Turkey will you find this wonderful, marvelous, scrumptious kebab.
So today we are in a traditional Ottoman historic building, which formerly used to be a courtyard. And here today we have come to have some lunch, and you can see over here we have some minced meat pide, which is a traditional Turkish pizza. And this one over here, this has some cheese inside of it. So this is pide as well, but this is cheese pide. This one is kima pide. Very excited to say this. This one is traditional ayran. So ayran is a yogurt drink which has salt in it, and it's an ancient drink. This is something that you see even in Dirleşaturu. You see over the centuries that have gone by, and very excited to have this. Bismillah. It's refreshing. It's a very hot day, and it's nice to have this. And then also we have some very nice, fresh, very fresh looking, mashallah, salad over here. I love the tomatoes here. There's more coming. Let's see.
Afiyet olsun.
This is Asia kebab, balaban, köfte, butter and pide, some sauce, tomato sauce, special Asian kebab, balaban. Balaban means big.
Big. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very good. So this is a Balaban Kebab. Just look at the design of this. The interesting thing about this is you only get this in Eskisehir in Turkey. So you have to come to the city, not just to see the incredible things that we've shown you, but just to have this as well. So let me try this. This is like some bread piece over here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this bread piece has some cheese in it, and it's covered with tomato sauce, as the gentleman mentioned over there. And this is the kebab. This is the main bit that we have to have, as the gentleman mentioned. Balaban means big. Okay, so this it's covered in tomato sauce again. Bismillah. Oh my days. That is the best kebab I've had so far on this trip. So we've been here for 15, 16 days. This is incredible. I wish this was all around Turkey. It's so juicy. It kind of feels tastes buttery. Çok güzel.
Afiyet olsun.
It's fantastic. So happy with this. Very happy. This is absolutely delicious. As they say in Turkish, this is çok lezzetli, which is very, very delicious. Bismillah. Everything is buttery. It's so the bread, cheesy, buttery, but the kebab, buttery, moist, and the kebab itself, the texture is just juicy and it's moist. And you go inside, it's got layers and depth, and it takes you down deep valleys that you never imagined. And just to enhance this experience, we are like in a very traditional Ottoman building as well, where before. We would listen to the music as well, and it just kind of takes you back into that nostalgia at that time. Even though we haven't experienced it, it was born much later, but it just feels the closest experience one will have to being in Ottoman times by coming into this city. Proper Ottoman style.
And to end our day, we had the most wonderful ice cream in Eskişehir from the famous Hasanoglu, which are masters of desserts.
Okay. Alright, thanks. Yeah, this is good. I like this.
Do you want sauce?
Yes, please. Thank you. Alright, so I've got myself 3 flavors this time, and this one has damla sakuzi, and I got like caramel flavor in there, and I got some other flavor in there as well. I don't even know what the flavor is, but with some nuts on it. Got some chocolate syrup on it as well. So far, so good. It's a sunset type of time right now, and what a way to start the evening for me. So this is the shop where we got the ice cream from, and what actually kind of got me to go into the shop in the first place is looking at the cakes from the outside. So the cakes over here, there's so many types, and there's many shops like this with these incredible cakes. You know, you come to Eskisehir, one thing you gotta find is an abundance of cakes and abundance of like desserts that are just mouth-watering just by looking at it. I'm enjoying the ice cream. So I've got 3 flavors, as I mentioned, with the nuts and the chocolate syrup, and that should be enough for today. And maybe tomorrow I might come back and grab my cake once and for all.
By the way, guys, I have a new channel by the name Don Imran, and if you subscribe to my channel, you can view all my content from my travels to Turkey.